The Dundas Studio Tour was this weekend, and the weather here in Southern Ontario was so amazing. And Noemie from Ottawa,
Hi, Julia.
hello, and I brought her here to see the tour because she'd never been on a little tour before.
It's about time.
It is about time. And a little bit later in this video, you'll see Noemie and I at Crown and Press at our exhibition that we're having that starts at 1. But we thought we'd get out for a coffee and check out some local art. But we'll go right to, we will come back to these, but we'll go right to our friend who you've seen before in my videos, Brenda McCafferty. Look at this great art.
Hello, I was just talking about you.
Oh, I like to be talked about.
Hello.
Hello, have you met Noemie before?
But quickly. Hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you as well. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
So Brenda's here at the Dundas Tour, and you've seen, one of my last videos, you saw her studio tour in her yard. Now she's moved everything and put it all in a tent along with some friends. Hi! In Dundas. Look at the, you can tell, look at, she's in a tank top. This is October, guys, in Canada. It's insane. All right, let's go in and take a look.
It's funny what you're, because I heard you say you're drawn to the daisies, and me, I'm drawn to the flower. Oh, there you go. It is. I love your work. Thank you. I've for sure seen your work before, of course, by Decor. Yes.
Isn't it great? Yeah.
Thank you, Julia.
All right. Have a good day, Brenda.
Thank you.
So we came across Svea Decor and her lovely booth where she's doing all sorts of really great things. But she just told me about her new paintings that she's done, and I would love, Svea, for you to, this one's got great light right here. Give us a little discussion about what you're doing.
I'm doing,
You can get a little closer,
okay.
right in so we can hear you. Okay.
Okay, I'm using ancient symbols mostly from the Middle East to show the connectiveness of the universe, how we're all interconnected. And they're dreamscapes where you can go in and look at all the layers. So here's the key and the keyhole to your inner self, to your universe. And here's the door that you open, and it's your specific door. Angel wings, bee, moon, everything that is in nature. That makes,
Even honeycomb and...
yeah. So the honeycomb is, I carve my own stamps, and these are hand-drawn and cut out, collaged. And these are cut to my specifications.
They're wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. And you can find her at the Dundas Art Tour. Or if you're seeing this after, look up the Dundas Art Tour and she'll be on their website. Here's my friend Paul Simon. And Paul is an amazing photographer. So we're on the Dundas Valley Studio Tour? Yes. Yes. And Noemie and I have just started doing a little bit of a tour before we go to Crown and Press for our opening. Okay, which is the new one? Which is your favorite?
The new one is over here. That's a section house window from near Barrie, near a train station. It's a
Very cool. Look at the texture. The reflections are so artsy.
yeah, I'm very happy. It's like hunting when you find a new picture.
Yeah, and they look like paintings in there.
Yeah, and good composition for nature, right? That's
Good
what that
composition. Way to go. Hey, stay in the
Oh,
film
oh,
here.
I'm
Where can they find you, Paul?
is. PaulSimonPhotography.com
Okay.
and PaulSimon1@mac.com is my email.
All right.
Very nice.
There
and
you
also
go.
Instagram, PaulSimon1.
That's right, Paul Simon 1. And on this gorgeous day, we were absolutely taken by so many of the homes that we saw. Here's one that we thought was very Romanesque in Dundas, Ontario. And here we have found, I think this might be the last one we go to today. Yeah, look at that. That's something. That hydrangea.
This reminds me of your
That is
Japanese grass.
That is Japanese grass. Noemie really likes my Japanese grass. So there's the Dundas Tour and all the people that are on it. If you want to screenshot that, that will give you some information. And we've got this beautiful little yard with a jeweler. Gorgeous little garden. Aw. A container garden in this backyard. And some really cool art. Who is this?
I just get some old wood that I cut up and then
I wondered how that. Yeah, I wasn't sure how it was. Yeah.
and then sort of put them together in different forms.
We'll continue with this amazing garden, and it is a container garden, and I'm not seeing a lot of drip, which means they're watering. They have to come out and water. But there's art on the walls and sculpture. She needs to have a plant sale, is that what you're saying? Look at that. It's just gorgeous, and the way they've got everything, even her wire rolls are being used as stands in the garden. This garden is beautiful.
Sit here with a glass of wine and a book.
That's it. You got the idea. We come through the garden, more beautiful lighting, and stunning. Look at the colors. Ooh, Noemie, you fit right in.
Oh yes.
Come on in.
So, all the pastel colors.
She's all the pastel. Isn't this gorgeous?
Nice textures. It must be porcelain, right?
Aren't they beautiful? And that's Dale Mark, the potter. You know, one of those big old classic homes. And the trees are starting to turn in Dundas. Ah, the day is gorgeous. Fall is in full splendor. All the decor in Dundas. I think this is arts and crafts. Gorgeous. Look at this lovely one. Everything about it. And look at the sun, the light. That's what artists, I think that's what grabs us the most, is the light when it hits something. This is the one. We saw this on the way in, and now we're seeing it on the way back. Look at that gorgeous porch. And she's even got welcome to the porch. Can't you see having wine there in the evening? Everybody is just loving it. There's such a romance. There's such a romance about Dundas. Don't you feel it?
Very much so. It's a nice place to retire and relax.
Yeah.
Because that's a charm. Every home is different.
It is. And it's a very artsy place. They have the Dundas Valley School of Art here, which helped me in my career. The gardens are incredible. All right, Noemie, now we're off to the gallery.
Woohoo, let's go.
All right, we just had to stop. This stopped us cold. Look at the light shining. Isn't this is a painting right here?
Yeah, that's pretty.
This is a painting right here. And then look at this clever teapot. And we have Noemie at the gallery and her #1 fan, Gordon, who now has, what do you have in your collection, Gordon? How many paintings?
119.
119. Wow. He's trying to beat another artist who said she has 250.
Wow.
He's gonna win. This is awesome. So we're in the gallery and visiting with friends. Terry and Larry are making a list of paintings that they want to come to their home. It's very exciting. They want one of mine, one of Noemie's. They're choosing a variety of different ones for us to bring to them and try in their home. And that's always kind of neat because then we can just leave the ones that they want. So they want one of these long verticals or horizontals of Michelle Reed's. And then here is the display with my embellished prints. My House on Jones Street painting. And a few more originals on the rolling walls. There's my yellow lab. And we've been pulling out paintings for customers to see today, to try. The gallery is a buzz. This is the one that the guys have identified to go to their house. I don't even know if you can hear me. Noemie's having a great time. And we're even going through the art supplies, getting ready for the class I'm teaching tomorrow. Hi. Hi, Lauren. Are you liking art? Yes? Do you want to see some art on our board? Who would you like to see? Would you like to see some of Noemie's? Okay. Oh, which one do you want to see closer? You press it. There it is. Is it beautiful? We start them young here at Crown and Press. You want to find another one?
Which one?
Okay, you want this one? Okay. It's beautiful. You like that one again? Uh-oh.
She's buying you art.
Perfect. I only have hers in my house, so.
Look at, you could win a print.
Crown and press.
Type your name in. Noemie and I are finished at the gallery. And we didn't get to do that much videotaping there because there was videotaping. I've aged myself. Recording. We didn't get to do too much stuff at recording at the gallery because it was packed. And we had a lot of conversations. But one of the things I had to do was sort through all the paint because I have teaching a class tomorrow. So now we are at Michael's buying a few things and then we are going to go for dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed meeting Noemie. Follow her at noemiecote.com. Like and subscribe to my video. And you know what? Maybe I'll get some shots tomorrow of the class. But yeah, have a great day. Do something artsy, like go to Michael's and buy some supplies. But if you buy the supplies, use the supplies. Okay, guys? Talk to you later. Bye.